Hello friends, today we shall learn phonetics RP part first, that is vowels and diphthongs. Before going to study vowels and diphthongs, we have to know the terms used for phonetics, phonology, phoneme, sound and letter. What is meant by phonetics? Phonetics is a science of studying sound system of a language in general. In general means all languages recognized are studied in phonetics. Where phonology means it is a branch of phonetics. In phonology, only one language is studied. It means a sound system of a particular language is studied in phonology. For example, we study phonology of English, means we study sound system of English, and in English there are 44 sounds, 12 vowels, 8 diphthongs and 24 consonants, and total sounds are 44. Now what is meant by phoneme? Phoneme means the sounds which occur in a particular sound system of a language is called phoneme. And these 44 sounds are phonemes in English. But what is difference between sound and phoneme? Sound means any sounds. If I drop this duster and we listen a particular sound, but this sound cannot be a part of a language. It cannot be a phoneme. Sound can be any number from 0 to any, but phonemes are limited, and in English there are 44 sound, means there are 44 phonemes, and English language works. It is spoken with the help of 44 sounds. And what are letters? In English there are 26 letters. And these letters are used for writing English. But while reading and speaking, these 44 phonemes or sounds are used for English. And these 44 sounds are 12 vowels, 8 diphthongs, 24 consonants. And in this video we are going to learn vowels and diphthongs. First of all, see the 12 vowels. First one is E. It is shortest E, and the example in words are sit, bit, and next one is longer E, and example is seat, neat. Difference between these two vowel is one is short, another is longer. Sit, seat, sit down, take your seat please. In this way we utter these sounds. We pronounce these two sounds, sit and seat. Next example is A. And always the sounds or phonemes are written in these two bars. This third vowel is A. It is in gate, pet. It is A. Next one, fourth is A. It is cat. It is rat. A. And fifth one is A. It is in car, cart. Next, sixth O. It is in cot, not. And seventh one is O. The shape of lip is more rounded than this one. It is little rounded, got, not. But it is in A, it is more rounded than this A. It is call, ball. In this way, this A sound is uttered. And now there are 8, 9 and 10. These are A sound. But this one, A is shortest. This A is little longer than this one, and it is longer A. For example, it is used in words like this. Here it is about. Very short time this a sound is used. Here the stress is on second syllable, that is b, and here it is love. But we wrongly pronounce this about. About is wrong pronunciation. The correct pronunciation is about. Allow manto. We say allow, but it is allow. Stress is on l and stress is on b. Next one, cut, but, and third one, it is little longer than this previous a. It is short. It is bird. It is not bird short, but it is bird short. But here it is cut, but it is shortest. And this one is longer, bird. And here the first one is very short, allow, about, like this. Now second and last pair is u and u. This u is shortest and another is longer. For example, poo, poo. Next one is book, little longer than the previous one. And now there are 8 diphthongs. Diphthong means when two vowels come together and they collectively pronounced, they are called diphthongs. And they are 8 in numbers. First one is A, E. Example in word is take. T, A, E, K. Take. In this way we pronounce it. Next one is R, E. B, R, E. Buy. Next, R, E. B, R, E. Boy. Fourth one is ear. Fear. Fear. And fifth one, A-O. K-A-O. K-O. And sixth one is O. Here, G-O-U. Go. We wrongly pronounce these two words, go, no. But actual pronunciation is go. Now, in this way, they are pronounced. Seventh one, U. It is in pu. Au. It is K-A-U. Cow. In this way, we learnt 12 vowels and 8 diphthongs. Here we shall stop, and in my next video we shall learn consonants and their utterances or pronunciations with the help of figures. Thank you for watching me here.